The University of Dallas Cowan-Blakely Memorial Library was established in 1962 and is well known for its commitment to the ideals of learning at the university. This library was built with a flat tar and gravel roof. Over the years, the tar and gravel material has deteriorated, and in many places when it rains would pond more than 5 inches of water. Roofing consultant Luke Valmillia and the university were in agreement that it was time for a change. They contracted with DFW Urethane to restore the prestigious library. The process started by overlaying 80% of the roof with 3 inches of iso board to ensure the roof would maintain a flat surface. DFW then applied 2 inches of sprayed polyurethane foam. Once the polyurethane coat was complete, they began the 3-coat system process using the Everest high tensile materials. Not only did they apply the average 5 inches of foam, they added an additional R32 insulation value. To finish off the restoration, the building was coated with the 3rd and final light tan reflective coat designed for energy and cost savings. Luke Valmillia was very pleased with the outcome of the Cowan-Blakely Memorial Library roof restoration. If you're looking to restore your roofing system, contact DFW Urethane today at 972-222-8462 or visit dfwurethane.com.